Good morning everyone. Next we study the life in the region. Which region? Rajasthan. Okay, see, Rajasthan known as the desert state. Which is the desert state? Rajasthan. Is located in the western desert region. Okay, Rajasthan is located in the western desert region. So it is called a desert state. Bikaner and Jodhpur are two cities in this region. What are the cities in this region? Bikaner and Jodhpur. Agriculture, sheep rearing, textile printing, tourism and making handicrafts are the main occupations of the people of Rajasthan. So what are the occupations of the people of Rajasthan? What are they? Agriculture, sheep rearing, textile printing, tourism and making handicrafts. What are they? Tourism and making handicrafts, sheep rearing, agriculture, textile printing. These are the main occupation of the Rajasthan people. Okay, they grow bajra and oil seeds. Okay, they grow which crops? Bajra and oil seeds. Due to the scarcity of water, people sometimes move in groups from one place to another looking for water. These people are called Banjaras. Okay, here it is a Banjaras. What is Banjaras called? Why they called Banjaras? See, due to the scarcity of water. Water ka scarcity ka reason, the people sometimes they move in groups from one place to another place. Okay, looking for water. The people they move from one place to the people in a group. They move one place to another for looking for water. So it is called they are called Banjaras. Okay, due to the scarcity, why they move from one place to another? Because of the scarcity of water. Water ka scarcity se the people sometimes in a group they move from one place to another place to look after to looking for water. These people are called Banjaras. Okay, they are the Banjaras is not permanently settled. They are moving from one place to another. So the people of Rajasthan speak in Hindi and Rajasthani. So the people of Rajasthan is they speak which language? Hindi and Rajasthani. Men wear white dhoti with colorful kurta and tie pagdi. देखो men they are wear white dhoti with colorful kurta. Okay, the men are wear white dhoti and colorful kurta and pagri. Okay, pagdi on her head, tie pagdi on her head, on their head to keep the heat away. Why they wear the pagdi? Because to keep the heat away. Women wear colorful gagra, odhni and choli. The Rajasthani woman they wear gagra, odhni and choli. The men wear white color dhoti, colorful kurta and pagdi, and the woman wear colorful gagra, odhni and choli. They wear large silver jewelry and silver white bangles that completely cover their forearms. The women they are wear the white silver jewelry. Okay, they are wear the silver jewelry and several white bangles. White bangles pura they wear, the woman wear the white bangles and completely cover their forearms. उसका इधर से इधर तक they are wear the white color jewelry, white color bangles. Okay, Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Chittorgarh have famous forts. What are the famous forts here? Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Chittorgarh. Okay, these are the famous forts here. What are they? Famous forts? Jaisalmer, Jaipur and Chittorgarh. Rajasthan is also known for its national parks and sanctuaries. Here it is a national park and sanctuaries are there. So it is very famous for national park and sanctuaries. Rann of Kutch is known for its uniquely embroidered clothes. Yes, Run of Kutch is uniquely, it is called here it is a famous embroidery clothes are there. Okay, their embroidered clothes are very famous. The Run of Kutch embroidered clothes are very famous. The area is known for animals like the wild ass and the desert fox. Yes, this area, the animals are the wild ass and the desert fox. Which are the animal in this area? Wild ass and the desert fox. These are the animals in this area. Okay, so these are the life in the region. So Rajasthan is the desert place because it lies in the desert, western desert region, and Bikaner and Jodhpur is the two cities here, and agriculture, sheep rearing, textile printing, tourism and making handicrafts are the main occupation of the people, and they grow bajra and oilseeds and Banjaras are here. The Banjaras are the group of people. They move from the place to another place for looking water. They are called Banjaras. Okay. Why they are moving from one place to another? Because the scarcity of water. And the people of Rajasthan speak Hindi and Rajasthani. The men wear the white dhoti and colorful kurta and pagdi, and the women wear colorful gagra, choli and odani. They wear the women wear silver jewelry and the white color bangles that completely cover their arms, and Jaisalmer and Jaipur and Chittor are the main forts. Rajasthan is also very famous for national park and sanctuaries. Okay, Run of Kutch is known for its uniquely embroidery clothes. Okay, their embroidered clothes are very famous. And these are also known for, here it is some animals are there, that is wild ass and the desert fox. Clear? See the remembering points. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. Okay, the Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Run of Kutch in Gujarat to the border of Haryana. The Great Indian Desert, the otherwise the Thar Desert is stretches from the Run of Kutch in Gujarat to the Haryana border. A large part of Rajasthan lies in the Thar Desert. Okay, the large part of Rajasthan lies in the Thar Desert or western part of desert. Desert areas receive very little rainfall. It is the deserts are get a very little rainfall. That is called as scanty rainfall. Okay, here it is sand dunes are there. What is a sand dunes? Loose sandy soil hill. Okay, and oasis is there. That is the underground waters comes in the surface of the land and make a water bodies. That is oasis. Clear? So the lesson over. Next day this exercise.